Seni sogʻindim, seni sogʻindim. Assalomu alaykum. Men sizlarni sog'indim. Yangi darsga xush kelibsiz. Welcome to a new class, and in this lesson we'll be singing the song. Tayyormisiz? Boshladik. Okay, as you see, my favorite lessons are when I can teach you through songs and show you either grammar constructions or vocabulary. And Tohir Sodiqov's songs are perfect for this purpose. And today we will be looking at the song called Seni sogʻindim, which means I miss you. This is what I said in the beginning. Men sizlarni sogʻindim. I missed you. And this is in the past tense. And I would like to, this is Tohir. Tohir, I love him. I would like to highlight only the chorus, so we pay attention to the verbs. And they are perfect to compare several tenses. In the beginning, I'll just sing it along, okay? Jonginam seni sogʻindim, seni sogʻindim, asalim sogʻindim, goʻzalim sogʻindim. Kecha uxlamadim, bugun uxlamayman, men aniq bilaman, men seni sevaman. Jonginam seni sogʻindim, seni sogʻindim, asalim sogʻindim, go'zalim sog'indim. Kecha uxlamadim, bugun uxlamayman, men aniq bilaman, men seni sevaman. So, now let's look at each line and focus on the meaning. Okay, so Jonginam is my dear. Jon is soul, okay? Asal is honey. Jonginam, asalim, gozalim. So 3 words actually mean my beloved, my dear one. Jonginam, asalim, gozalim. And possessive suffixes also here. So, Jonginam, seni sog'indim, seni sog'indim, asalim sog'indim, go'zalim sog'indim. And if you learn past simple, we remember that the suffix for past simple is dim, sog'indim, right? To any verb, you add dim. And the verb sog'inmoq means to miss someone. So if I was saying I miss all the time someone, I would say sog'inaman. If I wanted to say no, I don't miss, sog'inmayman. If I missed ed, sog'indim. If I didn't miss, sog'inmadim. Okay? So the song, the first line of the chorus shows us past simple tense. Sog'indim, qildim, aytdim, bordim. Take any verb and it will be the same. You take verb, remove moq, you're left with the root of the word and then of the verb, and then you add dim, which means which talks about you, what you did in the past. To know more about past simple, please watch the video about past simple tense. So, go'zalim seni sog'indim, seni sog'indim. My dear, my beautiful one, I missed you. And then the next line is kecha uxlamadim, bugun uxlamayman. And this line is perfect to show past simple and present simple, or present future tense, which we already studied in the past. Uxlamayman is something that happens right now, in present in general, or in future. So, uxlamoq is to sleep. And Tohir is saying, kecha, which is yesterday, uxlamadim, I didn't sleep. Right? Sog'indim, sog'inmadim is negative, right? Sog'inmadim, ma is negative. Uxlamadim is I didn't sleep. Uxlayman, uxlamayman is I sleep or I don't sleep. Or I will sleep or I will not sleep. Uxladim, I slept. uxlamadim, I didn't sleep. Does it make sense? So I chose this song specifically to show you comparison between two tenses. Something I did before and something I will do. And he's saying, I didn't sleep yesterday and I'm not gonna be sleeping tonight either. I love you, I missed you. I didn't sleep yesterday. Kecha uxlamadim. Bugun uxlamayman. I won't be sleeping tonight. Men aniq bilaman. Bilmoq is to know. Bilaman, I know. Bilmayman, I don't know. For example, I know Uzbek or I don't know Uzbek. Men Uzbek tilini bilaman. Men Uzbek tilini bilmayman. Bildim is past. Bilmadim is I didn't know in the past. So, men aniq bilaman, I know exactly. Men seni sevaman. Oh, sevaman. Sevaman. Sevmoq is to love. Men aniq bilaman. Sevmoq is to love. Sevaman, remember we have a to show either present or future. Sevmayman, a goes away. And then we have negation, do not. Sevmayman. In the past, it would be sevdim or sevmadim. So, men aniq bilaman, men seni sevaman. I know for sure I love you. So, let's read that again. I think by this time, if you didn't know in the beginning what these lines meant, now more or less it's clear. So we have three words that describe my dear one, my beloved one, Jonginam, Asalim, and Gozalim. Jonginam, seni sogʻindim. My dear one, I missed you. Seni sogʻindim, I missed you. Asal is honey. My honey, sogʻindim, I missed you. Gozalim sogʻindim, my beautiful one. Gozal is beautiful. Gozalim, my beautiful. Sogʻindim, I missed you. Kecha uxlamadim, yesterday I didn't sleep. Bugun uxlamayman, today I will not sleep. Men aniq bilaman, I know for sure. Men seni sevaman, I love you. Okay, now let's sing it. And I hope in the comments you'll let me know whether these songs make it more clear and what other songs of Tohir Sodiqov you like. Let me know. Man kutaman. Xo'p, men kommentariyada albatta yozinglar. 1, 2, 3, ketdik. Jonginam seni sog'indim. Seni sog'indim, asalim sog'indim, go'zalim sog'indim. Kecha uxlamadim, bugun uxlamayman. Men aniq bilaman, men seni sevaman. 2 times. Jonginam seni sog'indim. Seni sog'indim, asalim sog'indim, go'zalim sog'indim. Kecha uxlamadim, bugun uxlamayman. Men aniq bilaman, men seni sevaman. Bu ashula sizga yoqdimi? Yoqdimi? Did you like it? Bu dars sizga yoqdimi? Did you like this video? Let me know in the comments below. And if you'd like to know more about Uzbek language, I welcome you to my Telegram channel, which is full of other materials. Let me know what other songs of Tohir Sodiqov you would like to learn, and I will be waiting for you in the comments. Xayr, keyingi darsda ko'rishguncha.